right, so I usually get questions about how to start this worksheet, so I'm just going to make a little video to show us what we're doing with these arrows here and these boxes. And then I have the final video that is going to be the correction. So we're going to just go over the answers really quick with the worksheet. So here I have this grid. It has these vector arrows in it. So with the notes, we talked about how vectors should be drawn to scale. So this grid is going to help you to draw your vectors to scale. So each of these boxes represent a meter. So notice A equals 3 meters covers 3 boxes. And then how these vectors are positioned in your key here is supposed to indicate the direction for that vector. So whenever I'm using vector A, I'm always going to draw vector A pointed upward. Whenever I'm using vector B is always pointed to the right. So typically any errors that we have on this assignment is because we're drawing our vector arrows in the wrong direction, in the wrong way. So you're going to use this key to help you to draw some paths in these boxes I've made for you so you could draw them to scale. So we have a path that says draw path A plus C plus E. So I'm going to go in this order, and I'm going to find A to see how big A is and in which direction. So it's 3 meters and it's up. So I'm going to pick a place to start on my paper, and I'm going to draw an arrow that is 3 meters and up, just like it is over here. Then we're going to connect them tip to tail. So plus C, so here's C. C is 3 meters to the right, and you can always double check here what the magnitude is if you can't quite see how many boxes it's covering, but that's 3 to the right. And then E is over here, and so E is 3 down. So I've gone 3 plus 3 plus 3. I started here and ended here. So the distance that I've traveled, so that's the entire length of my journey from our notes, so 3 plus 3 plus 3, so that's 9 meters. My displacement is how far I am from my starting point. So I started here, I ended here, so that's 1, 2, 3 boxes. So my displacement is 3 meters. Again, I could also do vector addition and go, this is 3 up, this is 3 down, those would cancel, so that would leave me with 3 left. So I'll let you get on your own to draw these other 2 paths. Notice this one says 2F, so anytime you see those 2's, it means we're going to double it. So for example, F over here is 2 meters to the left. So if I were to double that, then that would be a 4 meter vector to the left. So I have G and H and F, so I can draw those out, and all of your displacement should be straight line displacement. So if you have anything that's at an angle, then that means we also did not correctly draw a vector, just as a heads up for all of you. So go ahead and give it a shot. Continue on to the back of the worksheet, and once everybody is about finished up, we can show the corrections and see how we did.